Let me start it up. Run through your gears. This is the new BRZ. I had the 2020. This is a 2022. The Alcantara right here is nice. This thing is super cool though, I ain't gonna lie. Huh? What do you think about it? I'm liking it so far. It's like so easy to drive. Everybody always asks me like, what's the first good sports car, you know? And I always tell them BRZ. Everybody I tell BRZ is the best first sports car you can buy, bro. The best. It teaches you so much, you know what I'm saying? This is the first car I learned how to do certain things on, how to shift fast, all of that. And the exhaust isn't too loud, you know?
Yeah, it's just deep.
It just like deepens the tone. Because remember I did a muffler delete on mine? Okay. Oh, it spins. It's like you're back at home, bro. It's literally like you're back home. It's so smooth.
It feels nostalgic.
Turn right?
No, this way. It feels very nostalgic.
And this one has...
Oh, it has the blind spot.
That's sick. It shows you the mirror. That's sick. It feels so good. I never knew he had this. It's showing you somebody's there.
Yeah.
I never knew he had that. Ain't no way. It's like I'm back. You know what the indicators? The way the indicators work. It's over. Okay. Yep. I'm sorry.
I think it don't have the.
Where are we going?
The Brembo's at the performance package though.
U-turn?
Yeah. You're good with the situation.
Huh?
You're very good driver.
Yeah. I went to school to like learn how to race and stuff. So yeah, I went to school to learn. Oh, my key just fell off. That always happened in my old car too. Yep. And you just chill. I like yo.
The only thing is they don't have the Brembos.
Yeah, that's like the only difference.
That's the only difference.
Because the performance package, it came with like a Brembo brake option. So it was like a way better brake. That's the only difference.
But guess what? They're coming out with a TS.
Bro, this is so sick.
They're coming out with a TS version.
It's so
I love
deep.
that exhaust.
So the
pops.
pops. What? It's so smooth. So smooth. Buzz.
I love how it sounds.
It's so smooth. Holy crap. Bro, holy shit. Yo.
But it feels super nostalgic.
It's like it's back to the roots, ain't it? That's crazy. That's crazy. It's like I'm right back at where I started my sports car journey, you know?
There you go. Okay, clutch good. It's good. The clutch release is like way up at the top.
Not really. It's more mid
So it's
to
in
high.
R mode and everything?
Yeah.
So everything is good. Okay.
It's more mid to high.
First, second, third, fourth.
Reverse.
All the way over here. Alright, got you. You gotta learn it first, you know what I'm saying? Before you go for a drive. So it's like right there. That's where the clutch is. The turbo. Alright. Gonna go pull. Ready? Oh, yep, definitely.
Yeah, I pushed too far. It's more notching than big.
Feel that torque steer. Hit it.
Huh?
Feel like that's torque
That little
steer.
torque steer?
Yeah. It sounds so sweet.
It sounds hella nice.
Like it. Listen to the. It sounds so sweet. So sweet. Holy crap. I would just drive around all day doing that.
Just doing that
But-
all day.
You hear the turbo?
And the Brembos will stop.
That's why we always have good brakes, my boy. You know the saying in Brembos we trust.
True that.
How about that?
Oh man.
And first and second, ready?
It's gonna spin.
In Brembos we trust. I like it. You should buy it. I didn't drive the other one, but this feels good, bro. And the noises it makes
Yeah.
is nothing short of amazing. You smell the brakes after you're pressing them, though.
You know the Brembo smell.
Yeah, that's how Brembos always smell after you're pressing them. After they haven't been warmed up. That's how it smells, and then once you go. What do you think? I like it.
Now I'm thinking.
So do you think it's because of the modifications? Boss, this
It could
one, that's good, you know?
Wow.
Just in case anything do go wrong, you know, you can just bring it back to Honda and be like, hey, fix this.
It might. I'm not sure. It might be tuned
You think so?
because it has a PRL intake on it.
But that's just the
with the
intake.
blow-up
Does it have
valve.
to be tuned to have an intake? Exactly. So it might not.
I don't know.
Speed limit 9 miles per hour. And I'm doing 9 miles per hour. That's crazy. I've never seen a speed limit for 9 miles per hour. You're right. It does feel good around the corner.
It's really tight.
You hear it? You hear that? It sounds sick. Let's go over some more.
Yeah, more forward.
Yep. See, I don't know how long it was, so I didn't want to go up too much, you know?
Right.
And then scratch it. In reverse. What's that song? That turbo is sick.